Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving exercise 4.1. See, first question we have here is, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 34 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 42 centimeter. Hence, find the length of the altitude corresponding to the shortest side. Now understand. First, we'll draw the figure. Triangle, we have the sides here 20, 34, 20 and 42 centimeter. Okay. Now they are saying find the length of the altitude corresponding to the shortest side. Which is the shortest side? This 20 centimeter. So I can draw here like this. This is your altitude. Now suppose this altitude is A. Okay. Now if I have to draw it here, I can say first we will find the semi parameter. How do we find semi perimeter? That is S is equal to 20 plus 34 plus 42 divided by 2, that is 96 by 2, that is 48. S we have already found. Now what will we find? We have to find out the area, that is area is equal to root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Solving this, S is 48, 48 minus 20, 48 minus 42, then 48 minus 34, then again 48 into 28 into 6 into 14, breaking that into parts. So we will get 48 can be written as 2C. You will just write the factors. I will tell you why. See, 224, 212, 26, 23. So factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 2 and 3. Now 28. 2 14s are 2 7s are. So you can write 2 into 2 into 7. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Okay. Why we have done this? So now we will take the pairs and that pair will come out of the root. So 1, 2, 3, then this 7 and this 7, then this 2 and this 2, then this 3 and this 3. Everything will come out. So I can write first 2 multiply 2, 3, 2, 7 and one more 2. So it will become 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 7s are 336 centimeter square. But sir, why are we finding area like this? See, we already know area of a triangle is half into base into height, and this formula is also applicable to find the area. Now we know that how much is the area? 336 centimeter square. Therefore, we can say area is equal to half into base into height. Base is the smallest side 20. So half into 20 into height is what we have to find. Height or altitude, you can name it anything. Area is already given 336. So you can write here 2 tens are. So H will become 33.6 centimeter. Please be very careful with centimeter, meter, what all are the question is using. Okay. Now question number 2. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7, okay, and its perimeter is 300 meters, fair enough. Find its areas, okay. See, they are saying there is a particular triangular plot in the ratio 3:5:7. Suppose the sides are A, B and C. So A is to B is to C is in 3:5:7. Simple enough. Now if I can say that let A is equal to 3x, B be 5x, C be 7x, we can say this like this. Now how much is the perimeter given already? You will say, sir, perimeter given is 300. Okay, perimeter is 300 meter. So I can say perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C, and that is 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300, or you can say 15x is equal to 300, x is equal to 20. And you can say therefore the sides will be A is equal to 60, B will be 5 into 20, that is 100, C will be 7 into 20, that is 140. So the three sides are 60, 100 and 140. If I have to write here 60, 100 and 140. Now what they are saying, find the areas. How will you find the area? You are not given any height or altitude. If we had altitude, we will be putting half into base into height, but now we don't have that. So we will use the S formula. We have to find semi perimeter. Therefore S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C is nothing but perimeter only. So I can directly write 300 by 2. That is 150 meters. Simple. Now finding the area is equal to S minus A minus B minus C. S is how much? 150. 150 minus 60. 150 minus 100. 150 minus 140. 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. So directly 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there inside. So 2 will come outside. Then again 15 into 9 into 5. 15 can be written as 3 into 5, or I can say 5 into 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 5 will be written as 5 only. So here 100. 2 5s are there, so 1 5 will be out. 2 3s are there, so 1 3 will be out. And this will be your answer. 5 3s are 15. They have already said that root 3 is equal to 1.732. So we will put it into 1.732, and this will be 2598 meter square. Simple enough. Now question number 3. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter, calculate its areas and height. See, perimeter of equilateral triangle is nothing but 3a, because all the sides are same. So total will be a plus a plus a, that is 3a. And area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Now perimeter is already given 36. If I put 3a here, so I can say a is equal to 12 centimeter. So I can say that there is a triangle with all the sides 12, 12 and 12. How will we find the area? Area will be root 3 by 4 into a square. A square is 12 square. So root 3 by 4 into 12 into 12. That will be 4 3s are 12. So you can say this is nothing but 36 root 3, or you can say 36 into 1.732, which will become 62.4 centimeter square. Simple enough. Now what they are asking, this is the area we have found. Now they are saying us that we have to find the height. How will we find the height? Suppose this is the height. Okay. Now if this is the height, understand, This entire base was 12, but when there is this height, you can say it will cut the base into two parts, and this will become 6 and this will also become 6. How will we find this particular height? You can say, sir, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we can say by Pythagoras theorem, h square plus 6 square is equal to 12 square, because we know perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So this is 144 plus 36 h square. H square will be 144 minus 36, that is 108, or you can say that is h will become root 108. You can say root 108 can be written as 6 cross 6 cross 3, which is nothing but 6 root 3. We know what's the value of root 3? 1.732, which will make 10.39 centimeter approx. You can write 10.40 also, there is no problem with that. Okay. Now moving further to the next question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12 centimeter each, okay, and the perimeter is 30 centimeter. See, very easy. Isosceles triangles means where the two sides are equal, okay. Now they are saying whose equal sides are 12 centimeter each. So I can say this is also 12, this is also 12, and the perimeter is 30. If suppose this is the third side, say A, or I can say B, because A is already used in the formula for isosceles triangle that I will tell you in this question itself. So I will write here perimeter is 12 plus 12 plus A. We know that perimeter given is 30. So 24 plus A. So A is 6 centimeter. Simple. So we know that this is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now what they are asking? Find the area of isosceles triangle. So area is equal to, area of isosceles triangle is 1 by 4 b root 4 of a square minus b square. That's why we did not use here a, we cannot use here a, because this we have to name as b only. The reason is in the formula of isosceles triangle, they have already used a and b, and a in isosceles triangle means the equal sides and b means the third side, okay. So that's why we have to put here b only. Now 1 by 4, b is 6, 4, a square is 12 square minus 6 square. So I can write here 3 by 2, 4 into 144 minus 36. You can say 3 by 2, 576 minus 36, 540. So you can write it 3 by 2 root of 6 into 3 into 3, 6 9s are 54, multiply 10. So I can say 3 by 2. 1 3 can come out, or you can say 10 also we can write as 5 cross 2. Therefore, what will come out? For 6 also we can write here 2 cross 3. 2 and cross 3. If you can see, this will become 540. Now taking the common, 3 cross 3 is common. This 2 and 2 is common. So you can write here directly, multiply 2, multiply 3, root of 15. So the answer will become 3 3s are 9, 9 root 15, and therefore you can say 9.3 that is 9 multiply 3.87, that is 34.83 centimeter square. This is your area of the isosceles triangle. Simple enough. How did we go? I am just telling you again. We had to find the area. Equal sides were given. So we found the third side of the isosceles triangle. After finding the third side, you can find the area easily. Area formula is already given in the book. 1 by 4 into b, root of 4a square minus b square. Simple enough. Now, solving question number 5 here. Now, if the area of isosceles triangle is 60 centimeter and the length of each of its equal sides is 13 centimeter, find its base. See, whatever is given, just write it. Area of isosceles triangle is 60 centimeter. Length of equal sides, it means A is equal to 13 centimeter. Just to give a picture of how will it look, it is 13, this is also 13, this is B. This we have done just in the previous question. Now see, area is already given. I can say here area is 60 centimeter square. We can say area is equal to 1 by 4 into b, root of 4a square minus b square. Area is 60, 1 by 4, b is b, root of 4, a is 13 square minus b square. 4 will go this side, 240, b 13 is 169 minus b square. I can say here this will become 240b root of 169 into 4, it will become 400, 728, 280, 676 minus b square. Now how will we solve this? We will just do square on both the sides. So it will become squaring on both the sides. So it will be 240 square will be 576 00, b will become b square, and here square root will be removed. So 676 minus b square. Now if I solve it, it will become 57,600, 676 b square minus b power 4. Simple enough. So I can write b power 4 coming, getting it this side, minus 676 b square plus 57600 is equal to 0. We can write b power 4 minus 576 b square minus 100 b square is equal to 57,600 is equal to, plus 57,600 is equal to 0. We can take the common out, b square minus 576 minus 100, b square minus 576, then b square minus 100 is one factor, another will be b square minus 576 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So your b square will become is equal to 100 or b square will be is equal to 576. Therefore b can be value 10 and b here can be value 24 also. Simple enough. Now, and this is what we had to find. What did they say? Find its base, and we have already found the base. Now we'll do the question number 6 here. Check. If the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 60 centimeter, okay, and its hypotenuse is 25 centimeter, find its base. See, right angle triangle, I can say this is the right angle triangle, 90 degree, perimeter is 60 centimeter, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. I can say here that perimeter is equal to 60 centimeter. Simple. So can I say let base is equal to x and height be y? Simple. Let this be x and this be y. So I can say by Pythagoras theorem, see, we can apply two things here. First is, according to the perimeter, I can say x plus y plus 25 is 60, and I can say x plus y is 35. This is the first equation we can get. Second thing, what we can say by Pythagoras theorem, 25 square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is our equation number 2. Now we have to find the value of x and y. How will we do it? Check. We can just take this equation x plus y is equal to 35 from equation 1, squaring both the sides, x plus y whole square, 35 also whole square. So I can write here x square plus y square plus 2xy. 35 square is 1225. X square plus y square is already given here, that is 25 whole square. So I will just write here x square plus y square is 25 whole square plus 2xy is equal to 1225. Therefore 25 square is 625. So 2xy will be 600 and xy will be 300. Okay. Now see, xy we got. Now what students generally do, they will find the value of x and y by again putting and substituting. But understand one thing. Check what the question is asking. Question is asking, find its area. What is the formula of area? You will say, sir, area is half into base into height. What is base? X. What is height? Y. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 xy, and xy we already have. What is xy? 300. So I can say half into 300, that is nothing but 150 centimeter square. Simple enough. Now question number 7. See, if the sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angles are 5x centimeter, 3x minus 1 centimeter, then calculate the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle if its area is 60 centimeters. See, this is hypotenuse. I can say right angles are 5x. It means here will be the 90 degree. They are saying containing the right angles are 5x and 3x minus 1. 5x and 3x minus 1. This is my hypotenuse. So we can directly say that one more data what is given is calculate the length if its area is 60 centimeter. Therefore area is equal to 60 centimeter given. Area is half into base into height. Half into base is 5x, height is 3x minus 1 is equal to 60. So 5 3s are 15x square minus 5x. 2 will go that side, it will become 120. 5 common, 3x square minus x is equal to 24. So 3x square minus x minus 24 is equal to 0. So I can write 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. 3x common, x minus 3 plus 8 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 8 and x minus 3. So x is equal to minus 8 by 3, and from here x is equal to 3. So you can say that length cannot be negative. So this option is cancelled. X is equal to 3 is our answer. But what we have to find, check the question again, calculate the length of the hypotenuse. So I can say therefore 5x is equal to 5 into 3 15. So this will become 15. 3x minus 1 is 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 8. So this is 8. Now we can find the hypotenuse. How? Hypotenuse is equal to 15 square plus 8 square, that is 225, plus hypotenuse square is equal to this. So 289, that is 17. This is your hypotenuse. Understood? Simple enough. Now moving further to question number 8. Check. In the adjoining figure, ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, okay, and DEFG is a rectangle, okay. If AD is equal to AE, it means AD is equal to AE. This and this are equal. Now, which is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, okay. Just increase the. This is 3. This is also 3. Then DB, EC are equal, DB and EC are equal, which is 4 and 4. Simple. After this, find the area of the shaded region. Okay. First, I will tell you which is the shaded region. So there should not be any confusion. Shaded region is this part, and this part. If you have ML Aggarwal, you would be having the figure. Please check it. This is the shaded region. Okay. Now they are asking us find the area of the shaded region. How will you find? See, very easy. If we can find the area of this triangle, we can find, and from that area, if I can remove this area of the particular rectangle, then obviously we will get the area for the shaded region. So I can say area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of rectangle DEFG. Okay, area of ABC and area of DEFG. Now understand what we have to do. Now understand how will we proceed. First, what we have to do, understand this part, that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle forms 90 degree with the equal sides. So understand this point here is your 90 degree point. Okay. When this is your 90 degree, we know it is a right angle triangle. It is already given. If it is given, it means you can say there is one hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. In this triangle, wherever is 90 degree, the opposite side is the hypotenuse. So you can say this particular line DE is the hypotenuse. So I can say that DE is the hypotenuse. We can say DE square is equal to AD square plus AE square. So DE square, if we have to find, AD square is 3 square plus 3 square. I will tell you one thing. Whenever there is like this 3 square plus 3 square, you can directly write it as 3 root 2. This is nothing but 3 root 2 only. Okay. If suppose you get 7 square plus 7 square, what will you write? You can write 7 root 2. This will become your answer. Simple enough. After that, what happens? There is no problem. If you want to solve the entire thing, you can solve also. I will just show how we will solve. But after this, we will be doing directly. 3 square is 9 plus 9, that is 18. This is your DE whole square. But if I have to find the DE, it is root of 18. Root of 18 means 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, that is 3 root 2. So your answer will be 3 root 2 only. Okay, this is your side. So I know here that DE is 3 root 2. DE is 3 root 2. It means GF is also 3 root 2. Why? Because it is the rectangle and opposite sides are equal. Understood this part? Now, when opposite sides are equal, this we have already found. But remember one thing. To find the shaded region, this area, if I have to find out, how will I find out this area? When I will have the base BG and this height. Simple enough. So our first focus will be to find BG. How will we do this? See, 3 root 2 we have already found out. Now we know that entire ABC is the isosceles triangle, and there also I can apply here the hypotenuse theorem. How? See, by hypotenuse we can say that BC is hypotenuse, so BC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus AC whole square. Okay. Now think, what is AB and AC? Think properly. AB and AC is 3 plus 4 here 7. Here also 3 plus 4 7. So I can say BC is equal to 7 square plus 7 square. So I can directly write BC will be 7 root 2. Simple enough. Now see, if BC is 7 root 2, it means from here to here it is 7 root 2. We already know GF is 3 root 2. So how much left? You will say, sir, 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2. It is 4 root 2. Now we must know this, that BG and FC both are equal because here is the rectangle in between them. So I can say that BG plus GF plus FC is BC. BC is 7 root 2. GF is 3 root 2. We know that BG and FC both are equal. So I can write here BG. FC is nothing but again BG only because both are equal. So I can say 2 BG 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is 4 root 2. So I can say BG is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. When you find out the BG 2 root 2, you can directly write here that BG is 2 root 2. Now understand, we got this base, we know the hypotenuse, so we can easily find out the height. So first we will find the height. Understand, we have to find the shaded area. Okay, so shaded area will be the area for this triangle ADE, this triangle BCD, and this triangle EFC. Okay, so now we will be finding, first we will find what? We will find this height of DG. I can say DG is the perpendicular, so DG square plus, what was the base? Base is BG square, BG and BD, plus BG square is equal to BD square. BD square is 4 square, BG is 2 root 2 square, and this is your DG. You can say 16, 2 root 2 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 8. This is your DG square. So DG square is 8. So you can say DG is 2 root 2 because 8 is again 2 root 2. Easy. When DG is 2 root 2 you got, see, DG is equal to 2 root 2. So you can say this DG is 2 root 2. Now it will become very easy to find out the area of shaded region. How? See, area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height minus area of rectangle DEFG. How will you find area of rectangle? We know length into breadth. Length is 3 root 2. Breadth is 2 root 2. So you can say half into base and height are 7, 7. Remember, it is the isosceles triangle. Base and height will be equal. Minus 3 to the 6 to the 12. This will become 49 by 2 minus 12. So it will become 224.5. This will become 12.5 centimeter square because we have to find the area. So it will become centimeter square. Fair enough. This was the question number 8. Now we will see question number 9. See. The diagram given alongside shows two paths drawn inside a rectangular field 50 meter long and 30 meter wide. Okay. Now it says the width of each path is 5 meters. Okay. Find the area of the shaded portion. Which is the shaded portion? See, this is our shaded portion. This and this. Simple enough. How will we do this? See, I can say that area of rectangle, area of the shaded portion, it means I can say we have to find area of the path. So for that, now understand how will we find area of the shaded portion. First we will find the area of this particular portion, add in that this vertical portion, but from that you have to minus this portion. Why you have to minus it? Because this will be added twice. When you are adding both the paths, this area is common, it means this area is added twice, so we have to remove this area. So to make it easy for us, I am naming this is path 1, this is path 2. Okay, now I can say this is path 1, path 2. So now area of path 1. How will we find this? What is the length? 50 multiply 5. 50 multiply 5, that is 250 meters square. Area of path 2. How? 5 multiply 35. 35 multiply 5, that is 175 meters square. And this common area, the third part, area of part 3, part 1, part 2. Part 3 is 5 cross 5, that is 25 meters square. Therefore, area of shaded portion is equal to 250 plus 175 minus 25, that is 400 meter square. Simple enough.